Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Modern Warfare 4 Open Beta Early Access on PC if you have pre-ordered the game. I'll show you how to find and install the beta through Steam, the Xbox app, and Battle.net. Let's get started. Open Steam. Go to your library. If you have pre-ordered Modern Warfare 4, look through your games for the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta. Select the beta, then click Install. Choose the installation location and wait for Steam to download the beta. If you do not see the beta in your library, completely close Steam. Click Steam in the upper left corner and select Exit. Then reopen Steam and check your library again. The Modern Warfare 4 beta should now appear if your account has early access. Method 2. Install the beta on Battle.net. If you purchased the game through Battle.net, open the Battle.net launcher. Sign in to the account you used to pre-order Modern Warfare 4. Go to the Call of Duty section. If your account has access to the beta, you should see an option for the Modern Warfare 4 beta. Select the beta and click Install. If you pre-ordered Modern Warfare 4 through the Xbox app, open the Xbox app on your PC. Click the search bar at the top. Search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. Select the beta from the search results, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, you'll be ready to launch the game when early access becomes available. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to install the Modern Warfare 4 Open Beta Early Access on PC through Steam, Battle.net, or the Xbox app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.